Andheri's Gokhale Bridge is finally reopening. After years of chaos and delay, traffic will be finally back on track. Andheri's Gokhale Bridge is finally open. After years of chaos and delays, traffic will be back on track. This east-west lifeline reopened today. This east-to-west connector in the heart of Mumbai is finally back in action, bringing a major relief to the commuters.
तो अभी आने जाने का बहुत रिलीफ हुआ और इसके पहले जब ये टूटा था तो हम लोगों ने पंप हाउस होके अंधेरी वेस्ट आना जाना, पार्ला वेस्ट आना जाना, ट्रैफिक का बहुत सामना करना पड़ा, लेकिन अभी ये चालू हुआ तो बहुत अच्छी बात है।
Initially, movement of only light motor vehicles will be allowed. The heavy vehicles will be allowed later on. The bridge was shut in 2022 after it was declared unsafe. Since then, Andheri's traffic has suffered. What followed was months of delays, missed deadlines, and public frustration. A temporary footpath on Barfiwala flyover and the daily Andheri east-west traffic struggle became the norm. The road toward the station opens this week. The Teli Gali side will take longer.
हम लोग को वेस्ट में जाने का तो हम लोग को या तो रेलवे ब्रिज क्रॉस करके जाना पड़ता था या फिर सीधा आगे पिंकी टॉकीज के पास में जो ब्रिज है वहाँ से हम लोग को आना जाना पड़ता था। तो हम लोग को बहुत तकलीफ़ें होती थी क्योंकि इधर पास में जाना है तो हम लोग को इतना दूर से आना जाना पड़ता था। गाड़ी से भी आना जाना बोले तो अंधेरी सभी जहाँ पे हमेशा ट्रैफिक जाम रहती थी या फिर पार्ला का फ्लाईओवर है यहाँ से भी ट्रैफिक जाम रहती थी। हम लोग काफ़ी दिक्कतों का सामना हम लोगों ने किया है इस 1-1.5 साल में और आज हमारा जो फ्लाईओवर का ओपनिंग हो रहा है तो हम लोग बहुत खुश है। हम लोग को रेलवे के ब्रिज से ऊपर से जाना पड़ता था, रेलवे के टीसी लोग पकड़ते थे, लोगों को काफ़ी तकलीफ का हम लोगों ने सामना किया है तो हम लोग को अभी आज बहुत खुशी का मौका है।
Although the bridge fully reopened this week, the road along with the bridge which connects the station road on the east side is still under construction. This bridge now features artwork promoting safe driving, which is wearing helmets, wearing seat belts, and of course, no drunk driving. The BMC gave permission to the NGO Project Mumbai to paint the walls of the bridge. The theme is Mumbai, as well as awareness about traffic regulation like using car seat belts, wearing helmet while riding two-wheelers, and no drinking and driving. Remember the 6 feet gap that went viral? Well, the misalignment is now fixed and the bridge is seamless. That 6-foot gap, a bizarre scene that emerged in early 2024 when two parts of the bridge didn't align, it became a symbol of civic embarrassment. Today, that gap is history. A seamless connection now stretches across the railway tracks. This bridge connects key transport points, the railway station, metro lines, and daily traffic flow. The full-width, 90-foot wide bridge is designed to handle the heavy flow between Andheri East and West, especially vital with a busy railway station and metro lines nearby. No more detours, no more gaps. Andheri's Gokhale Bridge is back on track, and Andheri residents are going to be moving soon on this.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.